So guys, I'm going to cut my body of my VW Beetle from Tamiya Rallye version. So I cut here on the sides before I put the camera on to try and to see, and that comes good. So normally I sign here the lines where I have to cut, but on this body you see it very well, so I don't need it. And the other side, the same thing. And enjoy the video. If you like, subscribe if you not subscribe, and don't forget the notification so you always know when I put a new video on my channel, and share with friends if you like to share it. So let's go. And so you see it's already nice, so but I will sand it and it makes a little bit more cleaner. So it's not difficult, you see it. Just cut it 2 times and then you have nice finish like cutting. I cut it, I sand it with big sandpaper and soft one. Sometimes I cut it also a little bit, and for the little things, just like here on the rear, for the exhaust, I fill it with this one, and then after with sandpaper and with this to make it cleaner. So now I'm going to wash it with soap and water, a little bit low water, not hot, not cold, and then I will try to paint it with airbrush. And you have to cut every sticker also. What a bummer. What the heck? Why, Tamiya? Why? You put much time in this body compared with the chassis, I think, because you have to cut all these stickers and all this one also. So that's not pre-cut. So that is, what the heck? So yeah, it is what it is. So a few moments later, I'm done with the stickers. So I think this one, the two rear, the two front, that's the back one, and that's the front one. So now I'm going to put the stickers on it and I will come back. Finally, I have all my window stickers on it, window shield, or who you call it. So it was not easy, so you have to be sure that everything closes around it, that no bleeding paint can go under. So, and sometimes I have to cut it because the sticker was a little bit too big, because I know the finished sticker around the windows come on it and will make it the finishing touch on it. So now I'm going to try to paint the airbrush paint. I will try it first on another Lexan body that I have so many years here, so I will try it there and then I will do it on the body, because I like to have one color that Tamiya don't have in spray cans, so I will do it with airbrush, but also for Lexan body. So guys, I paint my body with the airbrush and it's fun to do. My first time, but yeah, it's fun to do. I really like it. But I will do also paint with the cane, with the paint canes. So brush, because I need it to do a color that I want to have. And I have it almost, not white and not, yeah, not white, that's all. I don't want it, so I don't gonna use these stickers, only for the windows and the doors and the panels on the side from the door and the lines, because all these stickers I have to cut it. So but for the car itself I have other stickers that I got here, and yes, I'm going to do this on this car. So but first I'm going to peel off the outside and then I will all of it the inside, but I don't think it is dry enough, but I will do it. So first we're going to do the outside, so I'm very curious to see, because it give always another effect, so we're gonna check it together. And oh yeah, this look pretty nice. Yeah, I like it. Oh yeah. Before that I'm going to put the stickers on it, I have to do something here on the roof too, because Herbie, he got so open roof, so I have to make that. I'm very glad about it. Very nice. And now I'm going to peel it off inside. So the next time I will show you with the stickers on it, but before I have to cut all the stickers out, only this one because they are pre-cut. So, and I get also the number plate of the film. So that's cool, that's cool. I'm so excited to put it on it. So